Hey guys, today this is Pan and Pexie. So we're going to do is the bird add-on. So if you guys know what add-on is, because I don't really know about it too much. I don't really know about it too much. So how about let's just check the bird add-on. So it's like a bat. Oh my god, I love it. It's like look at it. It's green. Does he have lots of colors? Oh, it's just really green. No colors. I hope you can ride it. Oh, it's like over it. Look at it. Let's take it. There you see it, guys. Hello. I'm gonna free you if you want it. Okay. Wait, why did I just do that? Wait, test something. Okay, I just do that thing. Have two here. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, it's really look like a bird, but it tweets like a bird too. They must tweet like a bird, really. Why did I just jump here? Look. It's so pretty. Look at it. I hope you could breed them. So pretty. You guys are. Oh. I love their wings so much, and I love the edits. Oh my god. I don't even know where did I got that bird add-on. Oh, they're like a spy. Like so fast, so fast than me. Not really funny. Okay. Oh, so pretty. Look at it. I love it. They are like butterflies. Butterflies. Yeah. Not really good about it. I just thought it was a dog. I just make it like a dog. Aw, I love it. Okay. This monster wants to get back to the nether. Oh. Don't mind that. We don't even know. Hey, what did he drop? Oh, it is. Okay. Wait, is there still light? The other bird. Oh my god, look at it. I want to. Oh, they wait. I know it's just like doing that, and then they become wicks. Wixie. It's really cute. Look at it. Be my pet. I'm going to still shop you. I'm not going to let you. Maybe I should. Let's get out. And then. Okay, so bye. That was interesting. So I put a pet on it, so look at it. There's a rabbit! There's a rabbit in the bird thing cage like that. A bird cage, yeah, I forgot. Or I wish there was a bird house in Minecraft, so we could put the bats on it. Well, I wish there were birds in Minecraft. I don't even know if there's birds in Minecraft, but there's portfolio in Minecraft.